Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. So I have seen so many people doing the ugly photo challenge and I really wanted to do it. It looks really fun and it just looks like the perfect thing to do if you're like just in a creative rush or just want to do something different. But I'm putting a spin on this challenge. I love shooting with my tripod or timer. I took my tripod, my timer, and my camera, and I walked around my neighborhood and tried to find a really cool locations or places that would be difficult to shoot with a tripod and a camera, and tried to make that work into something really cool and something really creative. The locations I picked were not necessarily ugly, but they were difficult to shoot because I was not working with another person. Because both locations I picked, if I worked with a photographer or had my friend shooting for me, it would have been a perfect, amazing shoot. But because I was using a tripod and a timer, it limited how I could move in the space and how much of the space I can use and how much of the location I can actually embody into those photos. So one of the first location I picked was this flower bush. Absolutely gorgeous. For some reason I picked when school ended, and so I had kids walking around, I had parents driving, and just family just all around me, and I could not move my tripod in so many ways because if I moved it a few distance, I was in the middle of the road. Just finished shooting location 1. I really loved it. I really love the flowers. They're really pretty. You might be saying to yourself, well, that isn't that ugly, but it is. It's not ugly, but it's actually a challenge when you're shooting with a tripod and a timer. Because when you're shooting with a tripod and a timer, you're both the photographer, you're both the model, so you have to be aware of your surrounding the whole time you're shooting. So I could only shoot really tight shots because I had people walking on the sidewalks and also had people driving in the road, and I would have loved to get a full shot of the flowers and me in the shot, but it wasn't possible because for me to get that shot, I would have had to move my tripod in the middle of the road. That is dangerous. That would just destroy my equipment and it's pointless. And so I had to get a really cool tight, like half body shots, which I think came out really good. I was heading home after shooting the flowers, and I stumbled upon this couch just left in the alleyway, and it doesn't have all its cushion, and there's literally a bag of fast food on it. So we are going to try to make this work and make it look like something really cool. So for the second location, it was really hard because it was around sunset, so the light was set in a really weird angle, and it wasn't at the angle that I wanted to shoot at. The light wasn't coming from, so I had to make it work. This shoot I got a workout, and I went back and forth, and I was able to make something really cool. So this challenge was so much fun. It challenged me and made me get out of my comfort zone and shooting locations that I most likely would have typically just walked by and just ignored as places that are just not cute. If you learned anything from this video is take yourself out and just challenge yourself and just shoot and like look at places not as what they are but what they could become. Like you can see something that is completely disgusting or like a place that you think is ugly, but you can find a way to make it really unique and make it your own and make it creative. And thank you so much for watching.